Welcome friends, this is Manoj Kalla. In this video you will learn about seek command, seek function and INDEXSEEK. This is the completely theoretical and little bit practical sessions today. So you will understand the how many ways to search the data in a database table. Okay, so first you understand that you in mostly in all the command of search like seek command, seek function and INDEXSEEK, you required a index file. This is the mandatory. Now suppose you can create a cursor file also, and you can create an index on cursor also, a temporary index you can create as per your demand of situation. Okay, so first we understand there are the three seek version: seek command, seek function and INDEXSEEK. Now understand this is the command. Why it is a command? Let's see this. If you type seek, then you have to write this one, what you want to search, and what is your table name and index key is on which field. Okay, so you have to be, after a seek you have to pass the found. Okay, then it will be written a true and false. Okay, but in seek function, if you do like what seek and just see this ABC, then you can be write down and return is equal to, it will return you the true and false. There is no need to write a what found true or false, there is no need. Okay, and the same INDEXSEEK is also. Okay, and the next is what the move the record pointer. Both seek function and seek command will move your record pointer, but INDEXSEEK will not move the record pointer. Okay, so this will be a more powerful and more usable command, this INDEXSEEK. Okay, and that's why it is safe for validation, because while you use for your in your form label, you can see the I prefer INDEXSEEK also or a seek function. Both we can use three, but INDEXSEEK is what by default it not move the record pointer. See this, if I show you here INDEXSEEK, see this, by default it not move the record pointer. If you pass the L logical value true, then it will move the record pointer. Okay, for that purpose you just go for a depth knowledge of INDEXSEEK. You can use the FoxPro help. Okay, language reference. Okay, so where we are, so this is the more safe for validation purpose. Means what? Now suppose I just create modifier, suppose is the friend. Okay, then I just select my text box. Okay, in a text box, now suppose if I write anything and I press tab on that event like valid, see this is the valid event occurs before a control lost the focus or lost focus, or in a lost focus, you can search with the index. Then it will be more powerful for a validation purpose on a fly. So okay, so you have to use a what safe for validation. It is not, because it moved the record pointer, it's a limited. Okay, and buffer mode, I don't suggest go with the seek command, always go with the INDEXSEEK. But if you go with the seek command, then you have to manage the record pointer manually in the seek function also. In my last video in this series of search, how to search in a Visual FoxPro, I had shown you demo where I had manually taken a control of record pointer. Okay, while I use, see this, while suppose this is the add button. Okay, on a add button I just select the table name like a friend. Okay, and I pass the append blank. On that time I had record my the current rec number. Okay, and on a validation, when I search the in a table, okay, this value is a exit or not exit, on that time I will check my record pointer. Okay, so INDEXSEEK is more powerful. Okay, and INDEXSEEK command, if you use a seek command, then you have to follow to use a found function. and in seek function if you are going to use, there is no need to do the found function for true and false. Okay, and here is the last if condition. If condition means what? Now suppose if I am searching anything, just see, if see this, if condition is not preferable with the seek command, but if seek, then I can pass seek. If I am searching Mahesh, okay, then what? If it is equal to true, then whatever do I can do it. Okay, understand here. Okay, else I can write down else what it is. If it is a true, then do whatever, okay, your code. Okay, and if it is not found, then your code is in else. You can use, that's why it is called a what? That's why it is called a else, use in if condition. The same way INDEXSEEK also. Okay, in my next video I will show you how to use the INDEXSEEK. Okay, and after that I will launch a new video on a select command. Okay, thank you.